number 1. Here we are given this linear equation and we are trying to solve for x here. So we have x, the unknown, on the left hand side, but also we have on the right hand side another unknown, no? A number k. But the question tells us what k is. No? K is 3, we are told. And we just need to solve for x. So in this type of a question, when some value is given, the first step is always to substitute for that value. So let's do that. K is 3, so I substitute. Now we are trying to leave x alone here. Why? Because to solve for something means to leave that unknown variable alone. Well, I see that we had x here and we subtracted 1 and then we divided that by 3. No? So we just need to exactly offset those operations to leave x alone on this side. And since this is a linear equation, we have to balance in doing so the left hand side and the right hand side. So what do we need to do? Now there is a division by 3, so we start by multiplying the left hand side by multiplying by 3. Since I multiply the left hand side, I have to do it exactly the same thing to the right hand side also. So we get x minus 1. This is what we had. We multiply by 3, and on the right hand side we have 3 times 3. So we get division by 3, multiply by 3. Those guys are going to cancel. We are left with x minus 1 equals 3 times 3, 9. I'm trying to leave x alone on the left hand side. What do I need to do? Well, we just need to add 1, no? Since I add 1 to the left hand side, I have to do it to the right hand side also. So we get, these guys are going to cancel, negative 1 plus 1, they cancel. So we are left with x on the left hand side, and that equals 9 plus 1 equals 10. So x is 10. That's what we find, and that is choice D, and we are done.